Okay guys, I think that's it. I'm gonna bring you here. This is how I'm gonna do the message. Okay, let's go. I arranged ahead. So there's one question asking that how I gonna view the option top chat live chat message are visible, super chat. Okay, how am I gonna? Okay, so how do you keep the flower alive until the event? Okay, I normally this one the event is tomorrow, so I normally I arrange ahead 2 days before or a night before. If 2 days before, I have a flower fridge meant for floral only. I have in my garage, so I keep my arrangement in there in the floral fridge. The floral fridge, I always cause for the flower I normally arrange, 2 days before. Especially if I have a lot of wedding, I normally arrange 2 days before. It look fresh once you put in the fridge. I tried before. I didn't store in the fridge. It's just like in my room temperature in the house. Especially roses, it lasts long. It lasts, you don't need to worry. It lasts long. So here's my thing. Some of my arrangement. I have to arrange this one 72 pieces. I think I have more here to do. That one here. And I bring you to my fridge, okay? Let's go in my garage. I will show you guys. Let's go in my garage. Tomorrow, the wedding is tomorrow. Here's my garage. Excuse for a mess because I have all the storage in here. Here's my fridge. See, I keep all the flower there. So the bridal bouquet. So this is the buds roses, the buds flower base arrangement. So I keep it there. Some of the roses is really very open. Okay, let's go back now.